Hello, my name is Sherry Schmidt, and I am the Health Services Coordinator for District 300. This presentation is to provide you with information on the State of Illinois mandated health requirements and where to access the forms on the D300 website. All forms and documentation must be turned into the school health office prior to August 1st. Students will not be able to attend school until all health requirements are on file, and students may also not be able to receive books and materials until the required health forms are on file. Illinois law requires all students entering early childhood, kindergarten, 6th and 9th grades, and new students to the district have a current physical examination completed on the Illinois Department of Public Health form. A sport physical does not meet the requirement. A current physical is one that was completed within 1 year of entry, so a physical completed after August 1st of 2017 meets the requirement for the 18-19 school year. Please remember to complete the parent portion on the upper back side of the form. Students must also be up to date with all state of Illinois immunization requirements. Immunization records can be viewed on the D300 Infinite Campus Parent Portal. A complete list of immunization requirements are located on the D300 website. New immunizations are required when a student enters early childhood, kindergarten, and 6th grade. Typically, students entering 9th grade do not need any additional immunizations if they were previously up to date. So 9th grade students should only need the physical exam. Students in other grades need to be current for all of their immunizations. Some of the frequent questions we receive are, what if I can't get my child in for an appointment before August 1st? No problem. We can accept proof of an appointment from a physician for appointments scheduled after August 1st. Simply provide the school nurse with a copy of the appointment card prior to August 1st, and your child can start school on the first day, and then send in the forms the following school day after the scheduled appointment. Another frequent question is, are there ways to opt out of the immunization requirements? Illinois offers 2 exemptions. The first is a medical exemption. A medical exemption requires the physician to provide in writing the medical reason an immunization cannot be given. Typically, this would include students who are immunosuppressed or have a chronic health condition preventing the immunization from being given. The second is a religious exemption. To file a religious exemption, the approved Illinois Department of Public Health religious exemption form must be signed by a physician and include a statement from the parent or guardian indicating how their beliefs conflict with the immunizations. The religious exemption forms are required each time a new physical exam is due, so the form will need to be completed when your student enters early childhood, kindergarten, 6th and 9th grades. Illinois does not allow for philosophical or laws of natural immunity or general exemptions to immunizations. Another frequent question is, what if my child has received the immunizations but my doctor's office gave them at the wrong intervals? If that occurred, you may be asked to provide a note from your doctor indicating that he or she feels your child is adequately immunized, and we will be more than happy to send it to the Illinois Department of Public Health for review and possible approval. You will be asked to sign a release of records to allow us to submit the request. While waiting for a response from IDPH, your child can attend school. We will provide you a copy of the IDPH response. In addition to the physical exam and immunization requirements, there are dental and vision examination requirements for some grades. Students entering kindergarten, 2nd, and 6th grade need to submit proof of a dental form, which are due by May 15th, so you do have a little extra time to get this done. Students entering kindergarten or an Illinois school for the first time need to submit proof of a vision exam, which are due by October 15th. All of the forms and information on specific requirements can be found on the D300 website under School Health Services. Forms can be turned into your child's school, fax to 847-551-8433, or scan to health.forms@d300.org. While the nurses are out of the schools most of the summer, you can contact me, Sherry Schmidt, at the D300 Central Office at 847-551-8371 for any questions. Our district is fortunate to have the Advocate Children's Ronald McDonald Caremobile visiting several times this summer. Students with Medicaid as their primary insurance can schedule an appointment for one of our school-based clinics. Students must be Medicaid eligible. The program does not accept private insurance or payment. Please check the D300 website for upcoming dates and locations. Please call 847-551-8371 to schedule an appointment, as walk-ins may not be available if the clinics are booked. So once again, the physical exam and immunization requirements must be turned in prior to August 1st. Students can't start school until we have all the required forms. Thanks, and please don't hesitate to contact me for any questions or clarification. Thanks.